Hi and welcome to Arham's math class. Today I am going to teach you how to multiply by 5. First we do 17 divided into 2. I'll teach you how to do this. 7 divided into 2 is 3.5, right? 0.5, carry the 3. 10 divided into 2, because you don't divide 1 by 2. This is the tens place, so you divide 10 by 2 is 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8.5. Now you times the number by 10. This is 8.5 times 10, which is 85. Now I'm going to show you how to do division. You write it out like this. Divide 7 divided 2 is 3.5, write 0.5, carry the 3. 10 divided into 2 because it's 10 place, not 1 divided into 2. 10 divided into 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8.5. 8.5 times 10 is 85. This is the answer, and the answer is 85. Let's look at another example. Let's do 92 times 5. Now I've got it. So you do 92 divided into 2 equals. Now let's do the trick. 2 divided into 2 is 1. But then we need to look at the next digit. Is it odd or even? It is odd. If it's odd, we just turned it into the smallest even number, which is closest to it. That which is 8. 80, because it's the tens place. 80 divided into 2 is 40. Write the 4. Now, it's not a 2 anymore, it's a 12. Because we have took the 10 and changed it to 12. No, do minus 10. So that is what you do. And then you can just divide 12 by 2, which is 6. 92 divided into 2 is now 46. So now we need to multiply 46 by 10, which is 460. So 92 times 5 is 460. Now let's look at some of these examples. 3-digit numbers. And then we do 4 digits. First, let's do 696 times 5. 696 divided into 2. You can do double digits at a time. I'm going to use the 96 to help me. You just have to check the number before if it's not odd or even. It's even, so you can just divide it. But which is 96 divided into 2. You can work it out as well, but I know the answer. It is 48. Now I can do 6 divided into 2, which is 3. 3. 48. So 696 divided into 2 is 348. 348 times 10 is 3,480. Now we are going to look at another example, which is 948 times 5. You can do 948 divided into 2. Double digits. 9 is odd, so we don't need this anymore. We need an 8. 8 divided into is 4. You can do 48 to 148. 148 divided into 2 is 74. And you can divide that by 2, but that will be a problem because you don't do that. If you divide this number, the answer by 2 again, that will be the number times 2.5. And we don't want that to happen. We need to multiply the number by 5. So 474 times 10 is 474, and add a 0 to it, which makes 4,740. The answer is 4,740. Now I'm going to do the same trick I told you. But now I'm going to tell you to do these examples, which are 237 times 5. Next we'll do 484 times 5. And now we are going to do some 2-digit examples, which I'll give you. And then finally I'll give you a 4-digit example, which you can do using the trick. The 2-digit examples are I'll also do one in the 3 digits. Here's another one for the 3 digits. 24 times 5. 82 times 5. Bye! See you next time in more maths videos. Please subscribe!